Investing in crypto and stocks can be one of the most powerful ways to build wealth, but only if you do it carefully. Because the same markets that can make people rich can also wipe out savings overnight. Just look at how volatile crypto can be. Prices can rise fast, but they can fall just as quickly. That's why smart investors don't chase hype, they follow strategy. The first rule of investing is simple. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Whether it's stocks or cryptocurrency, both carry risk. Many beginners make the mistake of putting all their money into one asset, hoping for quick profits. But experienced investors do the opposite. They spread their investments. This is called diversification. Instead of putting everything into one coin or one stock, they invest in multiple assets to reduce risk. When it comes to stocks, you are investing in real companies, businesses that generate revenue, create products, and grow over time. Long-term investors often focus on strong, stable companies with a proven track record. They don't panic when prices go down temporarily because they understand that markets move in cycles. Patience is what separates successful investors from emotional ones. On the other hand, cryptocurrency is a newer and more volatile market. Digital assets can grow very fast, but they can crash without warning. That's why it's important to research before investing. Understand what you are buying. Don't just follow trends or social media hype. Many people lose money because they invest based on emotions instead of knowledge. Another important strategy is called dollar cost averaging. Instead of investing a large amount all at once, you invest small amounts regularly, weekly or monthly. This reduces the risk of buying at the wrong time and helps you stay consistent. Over time, this simple strategy can build strong results. Risk management is everything. Smart investors always have a plan. They decide in advance how much they are willing to lose and when to take profit. They don't let greed or fear control their decisions, because in the world of investing, emotions are the biggest enemy. It's also important to think long-term. Many people enter the market looking for quick money, but real wealth is built over time. Stocks and crypto are not shortcuts, they are tools. And like any tool, they must be used wisely. In the end, investing is not about getting rich overnight. It's about building financial freedom step by step. Learn, stay patient, and most importantly, stay disciplined. Because the goal is not just to make money, but to keep it and grow it over time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.